Hi folks, Grandpa Greenwald, old man with a pan. We're putting together a focaccia bread. We're doing my version, kind of a combination of versions of a no knead type bread, but it takes a folding. So this is our third out of fourth stretch and fold. So what I'm gonna do is just kind of pull this up, try to get her stretched a little bit, and I'll go ahead and layer over. And turn the bowl, and we'll do the same thing here. We'll kind of try to stretch it without tearing it. So, okay. Starting to get a bunch of, you fold it, look, big old bubbles forming in there. All right. We'll let her rest another 30 minutes. All righty. One last stretch here. Okay, go ahead and stretch it. One last little stretch here. One last little stretch. I'm gonna fold that big baby over onto that side. Alrighty, that's our fourth and final stretch in the bowl here. We get ready to put it in the pan. And this calls for quite a bit of olive oil in the bottom of the pan. Okay. Good. A bunch of we're just trying to stretch that a little bit. Okay. All righty. We're going to cover it one last time. And let it sit and rise again for about 45 minutes to an hour. Let's have enough plastic wrap to do this. I think it's going to rise. Be stuck to the top, but that's okay. We'll just let her set her over here. Alrighty, let's see what we got here. Wowzer! Wow, that's a big old focaccia. Alright, let's see. This is the final step. Wow! So what to do? What we're going to do is we're going to form it to the pan. Let me make sure this oven is I have the oven preheated for 425 degrees. We're going to push this out. We're going to put the bubbles in it. It says go ahead and start with some cold water on your hands. Cold water. So we got some cold water. That's so your fingers don't stick. And let's start here, and we're going to start pushing. Start molding that. Wow. Look at the bubbles in that baby. Wow, fabulous. Okay, we poked our dimples. We formed it to the pan. All right, I'm gonna do is sprinkle a little kosher salt. Just a little bit. Sprinkle pretty good so our bread has a little salty to the top of it. Perfect, 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 perfect. I'm gonna do any more than that. And also I'm gonna dribble, probably should have done this first, but we're gonna dribble a little bit more, make sure we have some olive oil down in our holes on the top. Yeah, oh yeah, Somebody once told me that it's from the heart. The amount of olive oil is from the heart. Well, my heart said that we are yummy. I don't want to get stupid, but we'll go ahead and put a little bit more. Oh yeah, oh yeah. So that's what we have, ready to go in the oven. It's been a long time in the making. Holy moly, how many times we let it rise? I'm thinking we have 2.5 or 3 hours in resting between the stretch and the rise. So, alrighty, let's get her in the oven. About 20 minutes, we're gonna have a focaccia bread sitting out here. A cooked focaccia bread. Holy moly. Take this out, Lolly. Right here in the center too. Boy, oh boy, that is a hard, crusty crust there. Or a hard, crispy crust. Okay, I'm not so sure about this oil in the bottom of the pan. Get this thing out of there so it can crisp up really nice. Where's my fork? There it is. All right, let's see what we can do. This thing is crunchy, 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 crunchy. Well, at least you could see, wow, look at that bread. Look at that bread. You can see why it was sticking a little bit here, a little bit there. Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy. All right. We'll let that cool for a few minutes and we'll come back and cut it up. Wow. All righty. I let it cool about 10 minutes. That's about all I can do. Let's slide her over here. Move the rack and now to see what's going on the inside of this baby. This is nice. It's a hard crusted bread, really hard crusted bread. Ooh. Here we go. The big reveal. Yeah, we got all kinds of holes down in there. Nice fluffy. Look at the, well, not so many big holes, but look at these nice fluffy bread puffing back out. Wow. Super, super, super. Like that. Let's see the bottom of this bread. Let me look at the bottom. Bottom didn't get as dark. Probably could have used a few more minutes in there, but this is really a nice feel. Nice, fluffy, fluffy, fluffy bread. Fluffy that is. Let's taste a little piece here. Oh, yummy doesn't even describe what that is. Wow. All right. Hi, Paulie. Hi, Grandpa. Did you get a piece of bread? It's good. Would you like another one? Another little one? How about a little one? That's yummy, yummy, yummy. Thank you, Grandpa. Thank you, Grandpa. What?
Mom wants a big piece.
Your mama wants a big piece? Okay, come stand over here. So maybe, let's see, how about this big piece right here? You think she'd like that one?
Yeah.
Okay. You gonna take it to her? Okay, there you go. Come back and get one for you, huh? Mm-hmm. Okay.
Go back around the other way.
Oh.
Oh, well. Well, folks, it was a lot of fun, a long time with the folding method. I mean, next time I'll try kneading and getting this bread in the oven in an hour, hour and a half or something. But it sure came out nice. We had some great piece of bread. You can see they're already devouring the rest of it. Got a great flavor, nice crunch to it, really nice crunch. Inside the flavor is good. Anyway, thanks for coming by. We're gonna call success on this video. Yay, we made it a beautiful focaccia. Thanks for coming by, folks.